Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the app view to grid view or list view for the Apple Watch 7. So first, press on the crown button to go back to your clock face. On the clock face, press on the crown button to go into the app screen. In here, tap on settings, and in settings, go down and tap on app view. In here you can select grid view or list view. So if I select list view, you can see this is what it looks like in my app screen. So now this is in list view. So for my clock face, if I press on the crown button, then in my app screen it will be list view. And now I just need to go into settings. In settings, I'm going to go back and tap on grid view. I find grid view is a lot easier for me to use, so I will use grid view. And for your choice, you can select grid view or list view, that's up to you. And finally, you can press on the crown button to go back to the app screen, and press on it again to go back to your watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.